Are you kidding me? Oh my God. So when I first started here, it was in 2022 and they had already won 2021 Raleigh's Best. So it was important for me to keep that standard and make it even better. So I was joining a team that was already doing their best, and it got to the point where I said, this is our goal. And for us to be here now at 5 years later, that's half a decade. We are Raleigh's Best for half a decade. To me, it's so exciting. I want to come to work every day to help everyone involved, and I'm just happy to have the team that we have. We all work well together, and actually our patients are like family, and they all know that. Half of them come in and greet us with hugs. Half of them leave and they smiling, they crying happy tears. And just to hear the little things like birds chirping and even my typewriter typing, it's like, that's to me, that's the beautiful thing about this job, is that everyone's happy. We have a great team, and I'm just so excited to see how much more people we can help in their journeys of getting their hearing back, and also with us growing as a company together so that we can help more people in this whole area and the outside areas. It's a beautiful thing. I'm so happy, I'm so thankful, I'm so blessed to be where I'm at today and to be part of Raleigh's Best for the last 5 years at Now Hear This.